कार्यक्रम पुढे आहे.
The homeowner families and other volunteers, as well as Habitat personnel, have done a heroic job in changing this monsoon lake into a wonderful building site.
Habitat's Jimmy Carter Work Project has shone a tremendous light on the immense housing need in our world and drawn untold individuals and groups into our mission of building decent shelter in partnership with families who need it on terms they can afford.
मराठी रेकॉर्ड